Ethereum cost especially equivalent to $1,898.59 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $1,865.39–$1,937.35 in an unpretentious way. The earlier day close, 1,871.62, or so they in a real sense thought. The change in every way that really matters was plus 26.97, plus 1.44%. Opposite rate, USD to ETH in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a significant manner. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost $19.51, especially most extreme $20.88, sort of least $18.14 in a truly significant manner. Ethereum figure on Friday, April 7, cost $19.51, truly most extreme $20.88, genuinely least $18.14 in an exceptionally significant way. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $19.23, most certainly greatest $20.58, least $17.88, which is very huge. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, April 11, cost $19.22, kind of greatest $20.57, extremely least $17.87 in a genuinely enormous way. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost $19.52, most extreme $20.89, essentially least $18.15, which certainly is very critical. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, April 13, cost $19.53, kind of most extreme $20.90, truly least $18.16 in an exceptionally large way. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost $19.75, most certainly greatest $21.13, least $18.37, or so they truly thought. Ethereum figure on Monday, April 17, cost $20.41, kind of most extreme $21.84, certainly least $18.98 in a huge way. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $19.73, extremely greatest $21.11, genuinely least $18.35 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days Ethereum figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost $2,009, genuinely most extreme $21.50, least $18.68. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $2,000, especially greatest $21.40, essentially least $18.60, which generally is very huge. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost $19.28, in every practical sense, most extreme $20.63, least $17.93. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost $20.15, genuinely most extreme $21.56, especially least $18.74, which basically is genuinely critical. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, April 25, cost $19.39, especially greatest $20.75, certainly least $18.03, which especially is very huge. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $20.16, really greatest $21.57, lovely least $18.75. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, April 27, cost $19.63, kind of greatest $21.0, least $18.26, showing how today's exchange cost range, $1,865.39–$1,937.35 in a kind of enormous manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $19.87, most certainly greatest $21.26, beautiful least $18.48, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum figure on Monday, May 1, cost $19.54, by and large greatest $20.91, for the most part least $18.17, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $20.90, sort of greatest $22.36, kind of least $19.44. In about a month Ethereum figure on Wednesday, May 3, cost $21.16, fundamentally greatest $22.64, especially least $19.68 in an all things considered, huge way. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $20.55, by and large greatest $21.99, kind of least $19.11, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum gauge on Friday, May 5, cost $20.85, for the most part greatest $22.31, certainly least $19.39, showing how in about 14 days Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, April 19, cost $2,009, genuinely greatest $21.50, by and large least $18.68, which certainly is genuinely critical. USD to ETH conversion standard really equivalent to 0.5267 coins per $1,000 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Today, S reach 0.5162 minus 0.5361, which basically is very huge. The past day, S nearby 0.5343, which in a real sense shows that in multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, April 12, cost $19.52, kind of most extreme $20.89, kind of least $18.15, which is genuinely huge. Change for now 0.0076, 1.42%, or so they generally thought. USD to ETH cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.513 coins, sort of most extreme 0.551, kind of least 0.479 in an unpretentious way. USD to ETH forecast on Friday, April 7, cost 0.513 coins, extremely greatest 0.551, essentially least 0.479 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Monday, April 10, cost 0.520 coins, greatest 0.559, for the most part least 0.486, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to ETH expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost 0.520 coins, genuinely greatest 0.560, really least 0.486 in a very significant way. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum figure on Wednesday, April 12, cost 0.512 coins, most extreme 0.551, truly least 0.479, showing how Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost $2,000, especially greatest 2140, sort of least 1860 in an exceptionally huge manner. USD to ETH expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost 0.512 coins, kind of most extreme 0.551, in every way that really matters, least 0.478, or so they in a real sense thought. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Friday, April 14, cost 0.506 coins, most extreme 0.544, sort of least 0.473, so Ethereum estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost $19.63, greatest 21.0, in every practical sense, least 18.26, showing how today, S exchange cost range, 1,865.39 1,937.35 in an unobtrusive way. USD to ETH expectation on Monday, April 17, cost 0.490 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.527, especially least 0.458, which generally is genuinely huge. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.507 coins, truly most extreme 0.545, lovely least 0.474 in a truly significant way. In about 14 days USD to ETH expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost 0.498 coins, truly most extreme 0.535, sort of least 0.465, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Thursday, April 20, cost 0.500 coins, certainly greatest 0.